Hi there, it's 12:47 on the PM side. 18th day of 2019. It's Friday, Nike Day. I got on my black. Anyway, the highest energy instructed me to read the last few words of this great book, Death of a King, the real story of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s final year. Travis Smiley with David Ritz. Doc leans over the rail, takes a deep breath, spots Jesse Jackson in the courtyard. "Jesse!" Doc yells down. "I want you to come to dinner with me." Jesse introduces Doc to the man standing next to him. "Doc, you remember Ben Granch? He's our saxophonist, Memphis musician." "Oh, yes," Doc calls down. "He's my man. How are you, Ben? Make sure you play Precious Lord, Take My Hand in the meeting tonight. Play it real pretty." Then a shot rings out. The bullet finds his mark. Doc falls. At age 39, his life on earth ends. I'm going to sing a little bit of Precious Lord. I want to keep this under 5 minutes. This song, Precious Lord, was written by some called the father of gospel music, Thomas Dorsey, who happens to be a PK, if I'm not mistaken. And when he wrote this song, if I'm not mistaken, he had just lost his wife and child in childbirth. I'm just going to sing a little bit of it. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me on, let me stand. I am tired, I am weak, I am worn. Through the storm, through the night, lead me on to your light. Oh, take my hand, precious Lord, and lead me on. Precious Lord, lead me on. Okay, 15, 16, 17, 18. Today is the 4th day of our ever upward walk in Martin Luther King Boulevard. And as Pokey the Pig would say, a beaka beaka, that's all, folks. Bye.